Hello, this is Hussain. Today I am going to share with you how to install WordPress in GoDaddy hosting. For doing this, first you need to log in your GoDaddy account. Now you should go My Products, and here you will find everything details. Just click My Products. Copy the domain name which you want to install in your GoDaddy hosting, and here you need to search where is hosting details. Just go to manage and cPanel admin area. Now you need to search Addon Domains. Here is the Addon Domains area section. Just click Addon Domain and fill up this form for Addon Domain details. Just enter the domain name and later the subdomain and domain document root will be created automatically. And if you want to create FTP details, just create your FTP account details. For this time I do not need FTP details, that's why I'll not move for FTP account details. I just enter domain name and subdomain and root document root and click add domain. Add domain. After clicking add domain, it will add your domain area, Addon Domains. Now you can enter any file in your file manager, or you can add anything in this folder. Just enter your WordPress details in this folder. Here is the WordPress. Just go to WordPress and install this application. Install WordPress in this domain that I have already created just a few seconds ago. Select that domain name from this domain area, and if you want to add HTTPS and www, just click the domain according to your niche. You can select HTTPS or HTTP. If you add SSL, right now it is mandatory to HTTPS for any domain. So I am going to move HTTPS, and HTTPS is required for your ranking also, so you should use HTTPS. And if I need any, if I want to install WordPress in this subdomain, then I can write the domain name. Right now I do not need any subdomain, that's why I'll not add any subdomain name. If you want to add a WP or new WP, whatever you want, you can enter the domain name. WordPress will install in this subdomain directory, so we shouldn't use any subdomain name, because we want to use root domain. My website name will be .com at the end, so I do not need anything subdirectory. And right now I can control WordPress version and English language. So you can add according to your needs in this area. If you want to update automatically WordPress plugins or anything, you just set up according to your needs. WordPress backup area, here is this, and right now I need to add my admin details, username, password, and a few other settings. Just click install WordPress, and WordPress will install in this domain automatically, and I can now go to my dashboard area from this hosting. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for next update video.